we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lancelot 16x24 Pneumatic Sliding Dual Platen Heat Press Machine. Consists of the following features. Upgrade your thermal transfer production line. Designed for professional users, this 16x24-inch pneumatic sliding double platen heat press combines industrial-grade performance with user-friendly design. Double efficiency dual independent platens work alternately, loading/unloading at the same time, seamlessly connecting the production process, especially suitable for batch custom orders. Helping you easily cope with the peak season. Precise process control, electronic digital control, real-time monitoring of temperature/countdown, automatic pressure relief lifting plate to eliminate human error, pressure adjustment. Suitable for materials of different thicknesses. Ergonomic design, low workbench height plus 80 degrees slide rail opening and closing angle to reduce waist strain with pulley base for easy movement. The set includes a 16x24-inch heat press and a sturdy bracket. Enjoy professional grade production capacity upgrade. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.